Apple Maps will now be the official navigation system for upcoming Ford electric vehicles. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Apple Maps will be directly integrated into the car manufacturer's universal electric vehicle platform, which will power future EVs. And this is possible thanks to Apple's new Map Kit for Automotive SDK, simplifying the integration process. Apple says this partnership will deliver a beautiful and easy-to-use navigation experience that'll be pumped directly to the vehicle's displays. And that certainly sounds handy. The platform will offer drivers directions in natural language, real-time traffic reports, accident information, and various routing options. Ford will also be using road-level data provided by Apple Maps to further develop the BlueCruise hands-free driving system. The company says this will eventually lead to a more seamless on-ramp to off-ramp experience. In other words, this is the first collaboration that Apple's been involved with that supports self-driving. We'll probably never get the Apple Car, but at least we'll have Ford's UEV platform. As for Ford, it'll be busy. The UEV platform is set to power a bunch of affordable EVs, starting with a mid-sized pickup truck that should be priced at around $30,000 coming in 2027. The company's been tight-lipped about what comes after that, but it did create a promotional film that showed a range of vehicles from SUVs to sedans. With all this, Ford promises that its line of upcoming EVs will be cheaper than a 3-year-old used Tesla Model Y. In the times where everything's expensive, everyone needs a budget-friendly electric vehicle. So much so that a $25,000 EV pickup with no paint, stereo, or power windows pretty much broke the internet. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.